Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to reset Payhip password. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in payhip.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Payhip if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top side of the screen, we have the products, store, analytics, marketing, customers, and we have your profile here where you can check out everything about your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and reset Payhip password. So it is pretty easy and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So here, go to the top right corner and click on account, then click on settings. Then after clicking on settings here, you can of course go and click on advanced settings or login settings. You need to go and click on login settings, where as you can see, you can go and edit your password by clicking on this button here. Then when you go and change it, click on save settings and your new password will then be updated. You can also do that for your email, as you can see, and if you have any questions, you can go and check out their customer support. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and of course then guys, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always guys, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.